Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. This is 12th standard business maths, chapter 4, exercise 4.4. We already seen variable separable method, homogeneous differential equation method. Now we are going to see about what? Linear differential equation of first order. Linear differential equation. Linear differential equation of first order. Linear differential equation of first order. Suppose if dy by dx plus py equal to q, the given function is linear in y. This is function of x. This is function of x. Function of x. The given equation linear in y. The given equation linear in y. Then what is the formula? Y into integrating factor. I dot f is nothing but what? Integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c, because function of x, dx plus c, because it is function of x. So y into integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. What is that integrating factor? Integrating factor is nothing but e power integral p dx. E power integral p dx, it is function of x. E power integral p dx, it is function of x. Suppose function of y. The function of y, the linear differential equation order is what? See, dx by dy, it is in the form of dx by dy plus px equal to q. So what is the formula for this given equation? Linear in x. Given equation linear in x. What is the formula? X into integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor. It is function of y dy plus c. What is integrating factor in function of y? Integrating factor in function of y equal to e power integral p dy. See the first sum, dy by dx minus y by x equal to x. It is linear in y. And function of x. So what is the value of p? P equal to minus 1 by x, coefficient of y. P equal to minus 1 by x, q equal to x. This is p, coefficient of y. Coefficient of y is nothing but p and equal to, what are the values? Constant values is there. It is nothing but what? X. Q equal to x. So integrating factor. Before you should find out integral p dx. Integral p dx equal to integral minus 1 by x into dx. See, it gives minus, you can take it out. What is the remaining thing? 1 by x into dx. You differentiate x, you are getting the value 1. So it gives minus log of mod x. Or log of mod x power minus 1. log of mod x power minus 1. So next, integrating factor. What is integrating factor in function of x? In function of x, it is linear in y, but function of x is e power integral p dx. E power integral p dx, integrating factor e power integral p dx, integrating factor equal to e power. Integral p dx is what? Log of modulus of x power minus 1. E power log get cancelled. What is the value? X power minus 1 is integrating factor. X power minus 1 is integrating factor. Then general solution. General solution, y into integrating factor equal to integral, you write the formula, integral q into integrating factor into dx plus c. Into dx plus c. Y into integrating factor is nothing but what? X power minus 1 equal to integral, what is the value of q? X into x power minus 1 into dx. So x power 1 means what is the meaning? Y by x. Y by x equal to integral x into 1 by x into dx. So x get cancelled. X get cancelled. So y by x equal to integral x get cancelled dx. Integral dx. So y by x equal to, what is integral dx? X plus c. This is the required general solution of the differential equation, because y by x equal to integral x into x power minus 1 is what? 1 by x into dx. So here x get cancelled. Y by x equal to x. Integral dx is nothing but what? X. Integral dx is x plus c, which is the required differential equation. See the second sum, dy by dx plus y cos x equal to sin x cos x. The given equation, it is linear in y. It is linear in y and function of x. If it is linear in y, coefficient of y is p. What is coefficient of y? Cos x. And q equal to sin x cos x. Q equal to sin x cos x. Integral cos x equal to sin x, you don't put plus c, you will write in the general solution at last. C here equal to, what is the integrating factor? Integrating factor equal to e power integral p dx equal to e power integral p dx value is what? Sin x. E power sin x. Next, general solution. General solution, y into integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor, or you will write e power integral p dx. Okay, dx plus c. Y into what is integrating factor? E power sin x. E power sin x equal to integral q. What is the value of q? Sin x cos x. Sin x cos x into integrating factor is nothing but what? E power sin x into dx. Whenever sin x cos x come, you can take it as any one of the term as t, because differentiation of sin x is cos x. Cos x is minus sin x. So here e power sin x, so the term sin x you can take it as t. Sin x you can take it as t. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. What is the value of sin x? Differentiation of sin x is cos x. Cos x equal to dt by dx. Cos x equal to dt by dx. cos x into dx, cos x into dx equal to dt, cos x into dx equal to dt. See, y into e power sin x equal to integral e power sin x, you can take it as e power t, e power t, sin x is there, sin x you can write as t, e power sin x, then cos x dx, cos x dx is dt, cos x dx is dt. It is the product form of integration. If it is product, we can apply reduction formula or Bernoulli's formula. So we can apply the Bernoulli's formula, we can check the Eilert format. Eilert means what? I is inverse trigonometric, L is logarithmic, A is algebraic, T is trigonometric and E is exponential. So this term you can take it as u equal to t, integral dv equal to integral e power t into dt, u dash equal to 1, u double dash equal to 0. So v equal to e power t, v1 equal to e power t, u double dash is 0. So we cannot do v2 by Bernoulli's. See, integral u dv equal to, what is the formula? uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus etc. So integral what? T e power t equal to integral t e power t equal to u is t, v is e power t minus u dash is 1 e power t. So it gives t e power t minus e power t. E power t you can take it as commonly out. What is the remaining t? T minus 1. T minus 1. So you replace t by what? Sin x. Sin x e power sin x minus sin x e power sin x minus e power sin x. You can take it as e power sin x is commonly out. What is the left hand side? Left hand side is what? Y e power sin x equal to y e power sin x equal to e power sin x. You can take it out. What is the remaining thing left out? Sin x minus 1 plus c. Sin x minus 1 plus c is the required differential equation. The given equation, it is linear in y. It is linear in y and function of x. It is linear in y and function of x. First you should divide x. So dy by dx equal to 2y by x equal to x power 4 by x. dy by dx equal to 2y by x equal to x power 4 by x. Get cancel. dy by dx equal to 2y by x equal to x cube. So what is the value of p? Coefficient of y. Coefficient of y is p. p equal to 2 by x. Coefficient of y, p equal to 2 by x. q equal to x cube. q equal to x cube. Integral p dx. Integral p dx equal to integral 2 by x into dx. It gives, you can take it as 2 commonly out. It is constant 1 by x into dx. What is the integration of 1 by x into dx? Log of mod x. So it gives 2 into log of mod x. According to the power rule, what is the value? Log of mod x square. Log of mod x square. X square. So what is the general solution? General solution or integrating factor. Integrating factor equal to e power integral p dx. E power integral p dx equal to e power log of modulus of x square. E power log value is 1. What is the final value for the integrating factor? X square. Integrating factor equal to x square. What is the general solution? General solution is y e power integrating factor, or you will write e power integral p dx. Y into integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c q into integrating factor dx plus c. Y into what is integrating factor? Integrating factor is what? X square. Y into x square equal to integral q value is what? X cube. Q value is x cube into integrating factor x square into dx. So y into x square equal to integral, if the bases are same you can add the powers, x power 5 into dx. Y into x square equal to integral x power 5 is nothing but what? X power 6 by 6 plus c. It is the general solution of the differential equation. See the fourth sum, dy by dx plus 3x square by 1 plus x cube into y equal to 1 plus x square by 1 plus x cube. So the given equation is linear in y. What is the value of p? P is nothing but coefficient of y. Coefficient of y is 3x square by 1 plus x cube. Q equal to 1 plus x square by 1 plus x cube. 1 plus x square by 1 plus x cube integral p dx. Integral p dx equal to integral 3x square by 1 plus x cube into dx. You can check it here itself. 1 differentiation of 1 is 0. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square. When you differentiate the denominator, you are getting the numerator value. It is nothing but what? Log of mod of denominator. So, what is the value? It gives integral p dx equal to log of modulus of denominator. What is denominator? 1 plus x cube. 1 plus x cube, because differentiation of 1 is 0, x cube is 3x square. So log of modulus of 1 plus x cube. Next, integrating factor. Integrating factor equal to e power integral p dx. E power integral p dx equal to e power log of modulus of 1 plus x cube. E power log of modulus of 1 plus x cube. E power log value is 1. So what is the answer for this? 1 plus x cube. Integrating factor value is 1 plus x cube. What is general solution? General solution is y into integrating factor. Y into integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor. Q into integrating factor dx plus c. Dx plus c. So y into integrating factor, what is the value of integrating factor? 1 plus x cube. 1 plus x cube equal to integral q. What is the value of q? 1 plus x square by 1 plus x cube into integrating factor is 1 plus x cube into dx, x cube into dx. See here, 1 plus x cube, 1 plus x cube get cancelled. What is the remaining thing? Y into 1 plus x cube equal to integral 1 plus x square into dx. 1 plus x square into dx. Y into 1 plus x cube equal to integration of 1 is nothing but what? X. Integration of 1 is x plus x square. X square, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So, x cube by 3. Integration of 1 is x plus integration of x square is x cube by 3 plus c is the general solution of the differential equation. I hope you understood, children. Thank you, children. We'll meet tomorrow.